Dance, Sammy, dance. Hit them folks, Sammy. Hit them folks. I want to hit them folks. You just did it. Oh, wow.
That's not.
Alright, y'all. It is. What time is it? 7:18, and we have come to a close for our driving.
Close. Because preliminary stop.
A preliminary stop. London, don't make no foolish faces on my stuff. Anywho. So we at a family friend's house, waiting for her to get home, and this is what we're gonna crash for the night, and then back on the road in the morning. So
what happened?
we're back in the car, everyone. All our passengers are knocked, except for me. Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
Mommy's awake. Mommy's chilling in the back. She's chilling. She in the back. She in the cargo part of the van. Yeah. They're really cool. Me and Ted's in the front. I look like I got on pajamas. So I look like I got on pajamas because my blanket. Ted's any morning words of wisdom? Okay. We're in South Carolina now. It is 6:38 in the morning on Sunday. 6:38, yeah. And we've been on the road since like 5:15, and we're already in a new state. So we're doing pretty good.
And brothers and sisters.
Cousins, brothers and sisters.
Yeah, because we mad black.
Daddy talking to Toya. Toya called to check up on us.
Well, I just
had
eat, so
some of that.
I just want y'all to know that.
let's hope nothing like that. She said she
What?
got food poisoning in South Carolina. Right?
Gross.
Oh.
Toya.
No,
Check that.
food present right at our home. Lord of Jesus against all sorts of poisoning.
Yes. Plead it. This is our ride. I don't know if I ever showed you guys the ride. It's our vacation mobile.
Yeah. Whole story. I went into the bathroom, right? And then as I was going in, I was going to go in the stall, but somebody's in the stall, and he came out, and then he was saying the left. And I went in the stall, I was going to use it, and then I saw there's a bunch of stains on that toilet, a bunch of doo-doo stains. Like, he had a rough morning. And I was like, whoa.
Jason, you didn't need to judge his passage.
I was like, and I went to the regular store. I was like, dang.
It's like, not today.
Like on the seat and stuff.
Oh, no, that was more than rough.
It was like real.
I thought it was like in the toilet. I'm like,
Sometimes you don't have to do them, not to do it like that, yeah?
no, they dirty. It's dirty.
Clean up.
It's dirty.
That's nasty.
Okay, let's get in the van. Press. Get in. Excuse me. Go to your seat now. We're leaving.
Ella, go to your seat. Go to your seat. Yo, relax. Right.
I'm George. I would like to know how you...
Got a rest stop. We're on the gun. Don't eat the phone, dear. I don't need your spit all over my phone. I said I don't need your spit on my phone.
Guys, come on.
Florida, everybody! Yeah! I felt that. Yes, I recorded it. We're here.
Hold on.
Made it. Drive me safe. want her mother. Look at what you're doing.
Watch her go to Robbie Bobby.
My name is Robbie Bobby now.
Wow, neglection. That's what that looks like.
Rejection looks like.
Yeah.
Can you play with me now?
No pictures. And I already want pictures. No,
She's like, haha. Robbie left, but I took her phone.
Yeah. She like said, got him. Said, got him.
You want to pirate? She sounded like she said it.
Oh. Again, neglection. He said, I'ma do me. I'm going out tonight. I can't deal with no baby tonight. This is what this looks like. She putting her ankles like she about to go out to the club or something. It's been too long since I had some me time.
Mom's making dinner. Thank God. Thank God for you, miss. She's making corned beef and cabbage and rice. Like the best thing ever. No. You're making too much noise.
Yeah, she went to my food in Jamaica.
It's too much clothes. It's too much noise.
Because she was injured. And right after finish line, she passed her.
And I think Aston was running too fast, too quick.
Y'all making too much noise. Never watch track and field with Jamaicans.
It's our thing.
It's too much noise. Robbie was screaming from the top of her lungs.
It was all screaming.
Hey. Oh, Robbie. Look how the sun is just hitting your face. Oh, nice.
It's a good lighting.
It is. It's nice lighting.
Selfie
It is. Ted's. No excuses, right? No excuse, right? Got Ella pants on the bed. There I am. So we're finally in our resort place. Oh my God. Mommy's making food. I love this woman. Cooking us good food. Got these kids eating. Tay's here. So last time you saw him. Who knows? Who knows? Yes, I am still recording.
Why?
Because.
Why are you recording me for?
Because I haven't seen you in that long.
So you're gonna record me?
Yes. He has a mustache on his face. Let me zoom in so you can see it. This is a weirdo. Look how long he is. Look at his big old feet. His skinny long feet.
You recording me kind of
It's all love. It's because I love Tay. Now let's talk about these bums over here. Yeah, y'all there rushing to eat food. Food's mad hot. This ultimate bum right here. Chilling, whatnot. Got our own TV, got our own bathroom. Another bathroom. And the kids gonna be sharing these rooms. And I think we got a balcony too. So it's nice, man. It's been a long journey to get here, but we finally got here. My hair is hot. Vacation mess. Look at it. It's like, ugh. And Jason's fighting this hot tub cover right now. Jason, no drop into the hot tub, please. I want you to know Jason had to do mad work just to get this cover up. That's why we need you, bro, because I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it, bro. I couldn't do it. Thank you, man. Oh God. So,
Dr. Pimple Popper right
mommy
now.
has this super crazy, this crazy deep black hat on her back, and Jason is mad
You
excited.
need an earpin. Turn on the earpin. It's not.
I feel like you gotta press
It's the
around
New
it.
York.
The blackhead defeated us.
Another day.
We tried our best. We tried our best, and
Did what we can.
it didn't work out this time. Maybe next time.
Maybe next time, nothing.
Maybe next time. Now, because we messed with it, now it's going to pop
Where
up.
is it?
And then we can get it.
Put my hand down.
So, it's raining, thundering outside. So, Jason decided we're going to play hide and seek. I decided to be down. So, we round up all the kids, and they mad hype. Look at the hypeness. Watch the hypeness. Hype. I don't want you on my camera. Hypeness. You didn't ask for forgiveness. I don't want you on my camera. And our parents are watching. Mommy, your only rule, you're not allowed to cheat. Mommy's a cheater. She going to tell people where people are hiding. No. Ella, stay there. And we know Daddy has nothing to do with this. Daddy is not a fan.
No, Auntie, no.
Catch it, bye.
Auntie, no.
She mad annoying. Why you being mad annoying?
Go on Pantoa. Pantoa time to find.
No,
Bye.
Auntie,
She said bye.
no. It's,
Alright, children, go ahead.
it's diggy diggy diamond, step right in. Diggy diggy diamond, step right out.
Alright, J-Pin's out.
Step out.
I know.
Diggy diggy diamond, step right in. Diggy diggy diamond, step right out.
Yes. Ha-ha! I'm hiding in my room.
You can launch Paw Patrol into the rescue and transform it into 2 levels. Check out the real working elevator.
Yeah. What number am I? You're still looking for... Okay, you're still looking for Chad and Sammy.
Jason, me, Chad, and you.
Okay. Jason, you can't be second. You're too old for that. You a bum.
She was trying to give her food.
Mommy, don't help her.
She has no common sense like that.
Well, she needs to find some. Hide and go seek get social skills.
Easiest place ever and you couldn't even find it.
Where were you?
In Chris and Chad's closet.
Oh.
You know what? She didn't look. She didn't look.
He's an horrible seeker. Me and Chad were in the same room.
Who's first?
Oh gosh. Who won?
Sammy.
Yeah.
Wait.
Jason, alright, Jason's gonna be it.
Lightweight.
30.
30.
66.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jimmy, go hide. 7, 8. Nobody go in my bathroom. 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Whoa, I gotta keep checking. There it is. You think, boy?
How did you see me?
I didn't see you. I just felt like somebody was over there. Go watch it.
Don't call my mother. Mommy, I'm not playing with her. She cheated. She told Jason where I was. Yes, she pointed into the bathroom and told him to go look in there. Because she knew I was in there. No, she... Let me tell y'all what she did. I was hiding in the bath.
Why are you looking though? Let him look.
I was hiding in the bathtub, Daddy. Not just sitting up in the bathroom, no. I laid down in the tub like a spy.
Like that was G.
Like, Jason would have never saw me because I kept hearing him walk past the bathroom.
Yeah.
And he would have went in the bathroom, just looked behind the door and left. I was laying out in the tub like Tom Cruise in Mission Impossible.
Right
Dang.
Nice. I'm there talking to Daddy this whole time. Daddy's like, yeah, you know. London, you sitting out the next round because you faked.
Yeah, because she wouldn't have back through my
She cheated. Yeah, so when you were up to like, you up to 15, and I tried to go down here, it didn't work, so I ran upstairs.
You won. Alright, you too.
So I ran upstairs. And then I heard you say like 25. I was like, all right. So I'm in the bath. I sit myself in the bathtub. I lean my legs so that nothing is sticking up. I move my hair back. She runs into the bathroom and is looking at me in the tub. And I'm like, get out of here. This is my spot. You find her all of a sudden.
Yeah.
You fake. Sit in the couch. You can't be cheating, alright?
No. Okay, I'm sorry.
You can't cheat, man.
You gotta learn.
This is the person that we talked to. A two-time winner.
Two-time winner.
Only one game. She lose one game though.
Yeah, she was missing out the next
One
round.
game.
Again.
Sammy,
Next
I
round.
just want to know, what was your strategy in choosing your spot?
Give
You have to be quiet as much as possible, and it helps to be short and little. I lost my record.
Where is it? Chad, please. You're not Chad. Chad, come here. Right here with the new champion, Chad. Please. This is not your interview. Please. Come, Chad.
First one.
Chad. Oh. Chad, how does it feel to take the throne away from Sammy?
Feels great.
Don't fight
It
you.
feels great. What was your strategy in this game?
Hiding in the unseen.
Let him talk.
Yeah, what he said.
No, not what he said.
Talk to yourself, man.
Okay, let's see. I didn't really have any strategy.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, you just went with the
Not
flow.
your born hider. It's okay.
Okay. That's good. But no longer. How determined are you to get back your spot on the top?
I'll fight everybody.
Alright. Good words from Sammy. Now we're here with London. London, you haven't won yet.
Is it
so
anyone
what
gonna
is your
ask me where
plan
I
to
hid?
try? Excuse me,
Is this a view in love?
London. What is your plan to try and win since you haven't won yet?
To win.
To win? How? How are you gonna win?
What challenge is coming?
To hide in the closet.
And who's up?
Round five.
Round 5, and Sammy is up, and so this means this is my chance to win. Alright, and
Sammy's account like 40.
no, I counted to 30, so she counts to 30. Sammy, whenever you're ready.
Guys, I'm counting 30.
Chris, pass my phone over
I'm
there.
gonna win.
Move. Get out of the camera.
Mommy said no in your bathroom?
On the table, on the water, on the water. In the water with the camera.
You're not coming out.
32. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Back again with
Back at it
Round
again.
4 is over.
round 5. Two of the presumptive round 5 is not over.
Oh, round 5 is
Chad
not
won
over.
again.
Oh, this guy Chad, he's so skinny. He go anywhere.
Challenge. It's me, Chad, and Sammy in this final round. First
We
person.
got it before.
It's just the first person to get it wins it all. Winner take all. All right, here we go.
And then the other two.
Wait, hold on. So if you make, stick it
It's
down.
done. It's done.
That's not fair.
No.
We don't get any
Two
turns.
people.
Well, too late.
Like the bottles.
How many?
Yeah.
Has everyone won at least one time?
Yeah.
So then this is it. All the anxiety. Y'all are dumb. Oh God, that was it.
Everybody gather around the table.
This is what happens when it's raining outside and there are no board games or anything. We played 6 rounds of hide and go seek because you know every other place has had it. Jason scraped me with his toenails.
Yeah, my toe does hurt.
Yeah, cause you cut my foot. We usually have like puzzles or anything. We don't have nothing. So they've made up
Come on, Chris.
a water bottle game. He brought the cards down, but then they just started flipping the bottle, and they're very much enjoying the suspense. You see? This is why when we're at day camp and stuff, pastors will always say it's not hard to get the kids engaged. Because if you get them hyped, they'll play anything. And I just showed you guys how simple it is to make a child Ella.
Everybody did it!
Ella.
Wait, there's a trick.
That's so good.
There's a trick to it. Let me see it. Look. Wait, there's a trick. There's a trick to it. Look. There's a trick. Look.
This is all they doing. Flipping a ball onto the table. You guys are bums. This is what happens when it rains. This has been my day. Vacation 2016, man.